To start the generator, press here and then press the green start button. To stop the generator, press the red off button. For auto mode, press the auto button, and on the screen you will read auto mode. To read the engine information, start the generator and press the black down arrow. Engine speed, RPM, oil pressure, engine temperature, battery voltage, engine running time. For the generator information, press the down arrow again, the line to neutral voltage, line to line voltage, frequency, amps. For status, press and hold the black down arrow until you see status on the screen. Now we have the generator voltage, frequency, amps, kilowatts in one screen.